Is there really a difference between Scotchgard rug and carpet protector versus the professional stuff? I'm not sure. Hey, let's find out together.
We're going to do a side-by-side comparison of Scotchgard, do-it-yourself product, and the professional version that people like us in the carpet cleaning world use all the time. We're going to be testing it against both of them on either side of this scrap piece of carpet against yellow dye to mimic pet accident, hot coffee, hot tea, and plain water. We do many reviews of Scotchgard products. If you want us to review one of the products you're thinking about using, just leave a comment below. Coming up, side-by-side comparison. We prepared this sample of carpet by thoroughly wet extracting it using an acid-based rinse, which is very common in our industry. It leaves the carpet without any residue from cleaning soaps and detergents, which could affect how these products are used. Everything was applied per manufacturer's instructions. 2 coats of each were put on, which is unusual in the field for the professional to put 2 coats of Scotchgard on the carpet, but we decided we would go apples to apples, meaning 2 coats of the do-it-yourself product, Scotchgard Rug and Carpet Protector, and Scotchgard the professional version. We diluted this according to directions. This uses straight out of the can. It is flammable, so you do have to be very careful about how you use this product. We're going to use 4 liquids, which is water at room temperature, a yellow dye to mimic a pet accident, and black hot tea and black hot coffee. And we'll get right into it and see how it works. Again, do-it-yourself side, this is what the professionals put on. We'll see how it happens. So, regular coffee, you're probably going to see how it beads up. There it goes, it beads up. Starting to seek in a little bit, 2 coats of this professional product. That's not good, it should not have sunk in that fast, in my opinion. This is the do-it-yourself side, this is with water, sunk in even more. So, in my opinion, less protection with plain water with the do-it-yourself product. This is hot coffee, and the reason why the test uses hot liquids is because these products create a surface tension, which leaves liquids bubbling over the top and allow you to blot them up. Hot liquids tend to penetrate quicker than room temperature, so that's why we use some hot liquids. So hot liquid on the professional side, let's see what we did. Immediate penetration. On the do-it-yourself side, immediate penetration. Hot tea, my guess would be the same. Here it is, immediate penetration. Oh, a tiny bit better on the professional side. Now, something with some yellow dye in it, mimicking a pet accident, penetration. Whoops, and the professional side actually is holding that much better. So that allows you to blot this up. So they are very close. If they're applied equally to the same carpet, under the same circumstances, these 2 products, whether you do it yourself, you pay a professional, or you can even buy this product and apply this yourself, they're very close, very close results, in my opinion. I'm interested to hear what you think. Please leave your comments below and your questions. I would give the slight edge to the professional product, but that doesn't mean you cannot get good results from this. The true test is not just what bubbles over, but it's when you've had it applied, and let's say a year or 2 after it's applied, when you hire someone to clean the carpet for you. That's the true test. These products are made to help prevent spots and spills from becoming permanent stains. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more like this, we would always appreciate you hitting that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified next time we upload a video. Thank you very much. Keep the stains away.